Hi everyone,
Good.
it's Ed from American Canine Coach, and today I'm working with Kiko, who is a 1-year-old Golden Retriever, who is a novice.
Good.
This is our first down session, and as you can see, I'm using a lure
Sit.
to have Kiko
Good.
follow me into the down position.
Sit.
This is called puppy push-ups.
Sit.
We'll do a lot of reps of
Good.
these, up and down, so he starts to understand the mechanics of the behavior,
Sit.
and then
Good.
we can attach the word down to it. So as you see,
Good.
he's really focused on the treat, and
Good.
as we move
Down.
the treat up,
Good. Sit.
he still's popped up. We use the treat to get him back into the down.
Sit. Good. Down.
And Kiko keeps following the hand.
Good. Sit.
So we do a lot of reps of these.
Down.
We
Down.
start in a low distraction
Down.
environment, and then we move to
Good.
an environment where there's more distractions.
Down.
And we
Good.
keep proofing as we move along.
Down. Sit. Good. Down. Good. Sit. Good. Sit. Good. Down. Come on. Sit. Kiko down.
After many reps with Kiko doing puppy push-ups,
There it is.
I've
Good
taken the
boy.
leash
Kiko
off
down.
him,
Nope.
and
Down.
now I'm trying to get him into the down position
Let's go.
using
Sit.
just my hand, and if I
Down.
need to, where he won't follow
Sit.
me, using puppy
Down.
push-ups to get his attention back
Down.
to the exercise.
Good.
And as you can see, once I did a couple puppy push-ups, he went into the down, and he's giving me a little bit of duration, which is
Good.
what I'm looking for here. I'm
Down.
looking for Kiko to just stay in one place,
Good.
focus
Down.
on me, and
Good.
just
Down.
stay calm. And he's giving me a lot of really nice duration. I'm using my body as a distraction to move around him. And as you see, he keeps track of where I am.
Kiko sit. Good. Kiko down. Down.
So the idea here is to keep him in the down. If he pops up,
Sit.
make a correction, say
Keep it
no,
down.
get him back into a down.
Down.
And because Kiko is so food motivated, I'm trying to fade the lure out at this point
Good.
and just use the command or my
Down.
hand to get him into
Good.
the down.
Nope. Kiko down. Come on. Good. Good down. Good down. Good.